Hello friends, so this is the first and the introduction video of this channel, and in this video we are going to discuss the categories that are going to be covered in the subsequent days. So let us discuss all the categories one by one. So first is the fundamental analysis of cryptocurrency, second is technical analysis, third one is crypto mining, fourth is trading automation, fifth is exchanges, sixth topic is wallets, seventh is airdrops, application, staking and investment option on Binance. 11th category is news and world affairs. 12th is trading and different types of trading. 13th category will be data based videos. 14th category will be NFT, that is non-fungible tokens. And 15th is metaverse. 16th category is alert videos. 17th category is comparison based content. 18th is 1 minute short videos. 19th category will be tips and tricks based on cryptocurrency. And 20 will be the arbitrage trading. 21st category is blockchain technology. 22nd is new coins, tokens based on the use case. 13th category is the taxation and government policies across all the countries around the globe. 24th category will be play to earn games. 25th is fake news and scams. 26th category will be how to make money from money or how to make money with respect to time and investment. 27th category will be the collaboration videos between various YouTubers. 28th category is the time management through cryptocurrency. 29th is white paper breakdown among different currencies in the form of research paper. And the last category will be the FAQ session, which will be conducted in a recorded video format every Sunday. So these are the various categories that will be going to cover in this particular channel. So let us discuss all the categories one by one and what will be the upload frequency. So upload frequency will be 20 videos per week on average or 3 videos per day. Okay, so now let us discuss all the categories one by one in detail. So the first category is fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? So in this case, it is just like technical analysis that focuses on the transaction value of the cryptocurrency. So this is the fundamental analysis. What is considered and what are the basic fundamental analysis of different cryptocurrencies like BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Sushi, ADA and Solana. So the basic fundamental analysis of Bitcoin, that is the best store of value. What is the fundamental analysis for Ethereum? That is, it holds the most market enthusiasm. Third is Matic, that is the promising layer 2 token. Fourth is Sushi, best decentralized application, that is Sushi Swap. So in this case, it is a decentralized exchange that in that exchange we can convert various cryptocurrency from one form to another form through Sushi Swap. Next is ADA, that is Cardano. And last is Solana. So the use case of ADA is the best hedge against Ethereum. So if Ethereum goes down, then ADA can go up, and if Ethereum goes up, then ADA come down. So the investment strategy can be such that some amount can be invested into Ethereum and some amount can be invested into ADA. And Solana. So that is again a layer 1 technology, best alternative to Ethereum. Next category is technical analysis. So what is technical analysis? In this case, we are going to study the chart patterns of various cryptocurrencies. So like this, in this case, you can see that this is the chart pattern of Bitcoin. So this is the chart pattern of Bitcoin from 22nd November to June 22. And most of the technical analysis that we are going to cover in this channel is through a website called tradingview.com. Okay, so next one is crypto mining. So what is crypto mining? It is the process of creating new Bitcoins by solving extremely complicated math process that verify the transaction in the currency. And when a Bitcoin is successfully mined, the miner receives a predetermined amount of Bitcoin. So here you can see that we have a photograph of mining. So this is the mining rig, and this are the various graphic cards that are connected into series in a motherboard. So that's how a mining process is conducted. In this case, we have various types of mining, like we have GPU mining. Also, we have ASIC mining. Also, we have CPU mining. So various major categories of mining are GPU mining, ASIC mining, and CPU mining. So in this case, this is a figure of GPU mining. So we have pros and cons of each of the mining category. Like we have pros and cons of GPU mining, we have pros and cons of ASIC mining, also we have pros and cons of CPU mining. So we are going to study in detail in this particular channel of different various pros and cons of mining process. Next category is trading automation. So how we can automate the trading strategy without monitoring the market. So that's will be covered in this trading automation. Like we have various kind of robots which are working in play. They are trading continuously based on certain parameters, and we have to set the parameters initially, and once they are set up, then we don't have to watch and monitor the market. So in this case, we have various types of robots which have a spot grid robot, future grid, smart rebalance, DCA, and infinity grid robot. So these are the various robots that we can use and take the leverage of market volatility and make some profit without monitoring the market. So that's how we can make use of robots, various types of robots, and how we can profit with those robots with respect to time. So this is a snapshot of KuCoin exchange, and this is the snapshot of Pionex exchange. So we have robots on different kind of exchanges which are available. So most popular exchange to create robot is KuCoin. We have very little amount of investment that is required on the KuCoin exchange, and some amount is required on Pionex exchange. So which is a lower rank exchange, but it is very good because number of bots available on Pionex exchange is very high, and we have some major bots which are available on KuCoin exchange. We are going to cover all the exchanges, all the bots in the subsequent videos on this channel. So various types of bot which are available on the Pionex exchange are grid trading bot, dollar cost average bot, also known as the martingale bot, rebalancing bot, spot future arbitrage bot, leverage bot, margin bot, reverse bot, leverage reverse bot, and infinity grid bot. So all these bots are available on the KuCoin exchange that we can take and leverage and use to make some profit consistently from the market. So these are all the robots which are available. In total, we have 15 to 16 bots available on Pionex exchange, and we are going to discuss in detail how to use and set up all the bots one by one in the subsequent videos, and that is a separate category for this channel. Okay, fifth category is exchanges. So we have multiple exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, Coinbase, like that. So we have exchanges, and you can see the total market capitalization of these exchanges. Also, we can see the ranking of this exchange. This is rank number 1, rank number 2, rank number 3, rank number 4, likewise. So we can see the ranking of all the exchanges. We can see the name of the exchanges. This is the icon which shows the amount of reserves that is being held up in those exchange. So this symbol shows that the reserve is available on Binance, reserve data is available for Coinbase exchange, reserve data is available on Kraken exchange, and so on. So likewise, we don't have any reserve data for Bitstamp exchange, which is at present ranked number 5 based on volume and market capitalization. Okay, next is wallet. So once you have purchased a cryptocurrency, then how and where to store the cryptocurrency safely. So we have various kinds of wallet like hot wallet, cold wallet, likewise. So you can purchase and store the cryptocurrency safely in hard and cold wallets in the long term as a long-term investment. Seventh is airdrops. So initially, when a new token is launched, then the developer can decide to provide the cryptocurrency free of cost to the distributors and the retail investors as an option, and we have to carry out some task. And then we can gain that cryptocurrency free of cost from the developers, and that is known as airdrop. So next is applications. So we have various mobile applications that is based on cryptocurrency. So that is also one category on this channel that we are going to cover, that how those applications are executed and how we can use those applications which are based on cryptocurrency and blockchain. Ninth is staking. So what is staking? It is like an FD that we can create on certain exchange, or we can create an FD on certain wallets based on some interest that we can hold. So we have to initially deposit and make an FD as an investment for a certain period of time, and once FD is matured, then we can gain some percentage on that investment with respect to time. So for example, if a coin is providing a staking yield of APY of let's say 15%, and we have 100 tokens for 1 year, then after 1 year the number of tokens will be 115. That is 15% on 100 tokens, that is 115 tokens in total after 1 year of investment. So the risk is, if the price of that token is going beyond 15% after 1 year, then still we can be at a loss. But if the price of token is appreciating with respect to time after 1 year, then the profit will be much higher. So this is the definition of staking and how the staking works. So we are going to cover the detailed process of staking, how we can stake our cryptocurrency on various exchanges and wallets in the subsequent videos. Okay, next is Binance. So Binance is at present the number 1 exchange, cryptocurrency exchange based on volume and market capitalization. So we are going to see what are the various investment options in Binance one by one in this particular channel. Next category is news and current affairs. So whatever new news is coming based on cryptocurrency, that we are going to cover in this channel. Next category is trading and different types of trading. So we have like day trading, range trading, scalping, high frequency trading, dollar cost average, build a balanced portfolio, or we can see we have futures trading, option trading. Likewise, we have different types of trading options available for us in cryptocurrency. So how we can trade, how we can set up a trade, what are the various technical analysis, what are the strategies, on what platforms we can work on, what is the risk management in this. So we are going to cover all these topics that is falling under the umbrella of trading and different types on this channel. Next one is data-based videos. So we have past data, future data, or future prediction of various cryptocurrencies that we are going to analyze the past data, and then we can predict the future projection of that cryptocurrency based on the past data. So that will be falling under the data-based videos. So the parameters that we are going to cover in the data-based video will be tokens and coins. So what tokens to select to consider the data of that token. Second is the percentage change. Third is the time period, and fourth is future prediction probability. So in this case, we are going to cover four main parameters. That is the type of token. Second is the percentage change. So what was the percentage in 2017, 18, 19, 20, and so on. Third is the time period. So what is the time period that is going to be taken into consideration? And the last is future prediction and probability. So what is the future prediction once we have the old data available to us? Next category is NFT, that is non-fungible tokens. So in this channel, we are going to cover NFT in detail. So how we can purchase an NFT, how we can mint NFT, how we can store NFT, what is the use case, how we can bid an NFT. Likewise, we can discuss in detail in this particular channel. So that will be also covered. Next one is metaverse. So that I believe it is a booming field, and it will flourish in near future. So what are the best crypto metaverse projects that will be upcoming, and what is the use case, what is the potential, what is the market cap, what is the ranking? So we are also going to cover in detail on this particular category, that is metaverse. So as of now, as per the market cap data, we have some metaverse coin, that is the ApeCoin, Internet Computer, Sandbox, Theta Network, Axie Infinity, Decentralized, Stacks. So these are the top metaverse tokens as per the market capitalization, and that data is available on the market cap website. So this is the link. You can access the link and you can see the ranking of these coins. You can see the percentage change of these coins for 7 days, 24 hours, 1 hour, and also the market cap of all these tokens. You can see the 24-hour trading volume, what is the supply, and what is the graph generated for all the tokens. So all this data are available on the market cap website. You can access this website to know the data of this particular tokens. Next is the alert videos. So sometimes in cryptocurrency, what happens, some alert and urgent news came up into the market. Some coin is pumping, some coin is dumping. So we need to take action at the immediate moment. So those immediate moment actions has to be explain why we need to take. So that will be falling under the category of alert videos, and that also will be covered in this channel. Okay, next is comparison based content. So we have to compare certain tokens, we can compare certain exchanges. So that will be falling under the comparison based content. Next is 1 minute short videos. So 1 minute short videos can be having certain category like portfolio management, time management, quick tips, quick alerts. So these are the various categories that we can discuss under 1 minute short videos. Next one is 19th category, that is tips and tricks. So how we can use some tips and tricks to make some quick profit from the market. So that is a different category that will be covered in this channel. So tips and trick will cover what to do and what not to do if we are new and for the beginners. So for example, 5 tips and tricks that we are a beginner and we should know, that is find reputable news sources. So sometimes we are getting fake news from fake websites that we need to avoid. Also, we can be prepared for the volatility of the market. If the certain coin is pumping or dumping very fast, then we need to take action very fast. Also, we have venture into other altcoins. Learn the use of both hot and cold wallets, and be vigilant and be very active into the market. 20 is arbitrage trading. So in this case, what is arbitrage? So arbitrage basically means a price difference of a same token under various exchanges. So let's say if a token is selling at a rate of $100 on Binance exchange, and the same token is selling at $95 on another exchange. Let's say KuCoin exchange. So what we can do is, in that case, we can find an arbitrage opportunity. We can purchase the same token from the KuCoin exchange at $94, and we can sell the same token from transferring the KuCoin exchange to the Binance exchange at $100, and we can make a $5 instant profit. So whenever there is a price difference of the same token under various exchanges, then we can find the arbitrage opportunity to make the profit from the market. Okay, next is the blockchain technology. So cryptocurrency uses the blockchain technology. So we are going to also cover the details of blockchain technology in this channel. Next is 22 category, that is new coins token based on the use case. So we are going to cover the fundamental of the token, what we are going to cover the research paper and the white paper of this token, and also the use case of various tokens in this channel. Next is the taxation policy. In this case, we can know that we have various countries and cryptocurrency is basically around the globe. So various countries like Canada, US, Mexico, Chile, UK, Switzerland, EU, India, China, etc. They have been banned or they are supporting cryptocurrency, and they have various regulations. So what are the regulations that are being imposed by the government on the retail investors? So that will be covered in the category of taxation and government policies. Next is 24th category, that is play to earn games. So we can play games and make money from cryptocurrency by playing games. So with investment of our time, we can make money. And so that is another category, that is play to earn games. Okay, next is 25 category, that is fake news and scams. So sometimes there is a high potential of fake news and scam that is flowing around the market. So we need to identify the fake news, and we should not follow those kind of fake news which are spreading around. So that will be also covered in this channel. So basically we have fake news like cryptocurrency scams. We have fake news like investment scams. We have fake scams and news like phishing scam. We have upgrade scams and SIM swaps scams. So we can take the screenshot and you can read the content. So what is the meaning and broad category of various kind of scams that are going to occur in the market, and we should not fall for all those kind of scams and fake news. So that also will be covered in this channel. Okay, next category is how to make money from investment of our money or investment of our time. So we have various categories like direct investment, business creation, early business investment, staking and liquid staking. Also we can invest into mining equipments. Also we can play games like and so on. So that's how we can have various opportunity to make money with respect to our investment of money or time. So either or both we can do so to make money from cryptocurrency. So that also will be covered in this channel. Next is 27th category, that is collaboration videos. So once I gain certain subscribers and audience on this content, then I will collaborate with other YouTubers, other content creators to make a collaborative videos on this channel. Next is time management through cryptocurrency. So many a times people are not on full-time basis on this platform, so they can do part-time. So time management and portfolio management for part-time basis. So what are the tips and tricks for that category? That also will be covered in this channel. Next is 29, that is a white paper breakdown. So to develop a blockchain and cryptocurrency token is very difficult, and we have a team of developers, and after they are developing the blockchain and the technology, once it is developed and launched into the market, so there is a white paper of that token. So we are going to analyze the white paper of the token. We're going to analyze the fundamental analysis using white paper, and that's how new category will be established, that is a white paper breakdown of a cryptocurrency. Okay, so next category is FAQ and live discussions. So FAQ, that is the frequently asked questions, and live discussions. So we are going to cover one recorded video of FAQ and live discussions every week on this channel. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.